Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are back at Dollar General. I'm gonna actually do a couple little videos of Dollar General for you guys this weekend. So I hope you guys like this type of content. Basically, I just walked into Dollar General, like I just said. They are doing a clearance sale. So today is Saturday. It is going to be posted today. So I want to hurry up and post this video so you guys could catch any clearance items that you guys might have at your local Dollar General. And today is also Saturday. So and Saturday you save an additional $5 off your total purchase as long as you clip it in their Dollar General app, and you could clip other savings as well. So with that being said, let's just jump right into this real quick. So the sale that they have is Green Dot Home, buy one get one free. The date of it is for 8/27 to 9/4, September 4th, which is Monday, Labor Day. So and then this is like what it applies to. Buy one get one free, equal or less value, must purchase two to get the discount price. Okay, so we're looking for green dots. So so that way you could kind of catch some of the green dot sales yourself and save some money, because that's what my channel is, right? A bargain channel. So we're looking for green dots, and what we're talking about, like green dots and color coordinations, is on their tags at Dollar General, like right here. Perfect example, and this is actually really cute. So this is a table runner that says Sweet Home by True Living. The sizes is 13 inches by 68 inches, and I love the end of it, like the embellishments on it. So this is the green dot, what I'm talking about. So right there, that's a green dot. So again, go off of this green dot, buy one get one free. So really awesome. But yeah, so that's what we're looking for, is green dots in this video. I'm also gonna have a Dollar General grocery video with you guys. So here's another one right there. So green dots, so this would be if you're buying that rug, and that was $8, or not that rug, the runner. That was $8 and this is $4. You would get this one for half off. Okay, so equal or less value. Okay, so they have some really cute soap dispensers, and let's see. So that's a green dot. That is not. That's an orange. Okay, that's nothing. Well, it's not. It's something, but okay. Here's another green dot. So we've got these soap dispensers that are really pretty. So you could get one for half off, or however many. Now let's go check some other items. Okay, so here's another section of green dot stuff. I showed you this area partially in my last video, which I will link in the description box down below. And also, if you are new to my channel, welcome, and thank you, all of you guys, for taking the time out to view this video. With that being said, if you guys could do me a huge favor, like this video. I'm totally trying to get this video in the algorithm and grow my channel. So if you like content like this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment what your favorite find was. Or if you have any questions for me, or if you tried any of these products, let everybody know. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. My 7-year-old would flip out over this. And it doesn't have a price, but it's super cute, and it's bluey. Okay, so green dots. These are all green dot clearance. So you've got these pot holders for $1. We've got these different styles to choose from, and they've got great music playing, and I hope I don't get copyright. So let's bring it back with the classics. Look at how cute that. Okay, so look at that, is so cute. Okay, so these are all green dot, just so that you kind of get an idea. What is Tamara showing you guys? You know, green dot. Here's another cute little cup with the green dot. It was originally $3. More kitchen towels. Great outdoor drinks or cups. Yeah, so here's a lot of these. So we got beach towels that you guys could stock up for next year, Or, you know, if you guys go to the pool or to the gym all year round, great time to pick those up. Let's see, I believe these are all You're My Person. You guys are, that's why we're here. Family is everything. That is super adorable. Look at that. That's a camper's mug, 16 ounces for $4, so that's part of that. Blessed. Look at that, so cute, you guys. Okay, so these are all the green dot stuff right here. Okay, so let me go down and show you guys those like swimmer diapers too. So that's really cute. Okay, let's look right here. Okay, so you've got these small gentle steps swim pants for boys and girls. Doesn't say the price. Let me scan it in real quick. Now, are you guys the only one that be having this problem too? Because I just tried to scan this in the app and it's not coming up. It keeps saying a problem, error. So let me know if you guys have that issue. I keep having that issue, and then I don't want to bug the workers about it too. But they also have these too. These are a 14 food storage container set for $7.50. That's pretty good. Then you've got these big gigantic trays for $2. You can use these for a number of things. Like, it would be cute to give each child, like if you were doing like you had a preschool, put some sand or some dough on here, like Play-Doh, and some little tools, and that's big enough for like them to have a big play area. Or finger paints. It's actually really cool. Not just serving trays, but they also have a lot of these. So $2. Okay, let's go check out some other finds. Oh, how much are these? Of course, like everything I'm grabbing just doesn't seem $4, but that's a great price. Okay. Okay, so then also here's some more clearance stuff. This is clearance sell event, take an additional 50% off, and we've got a lot of stuff. So right here we've got some candles. This sale is also going all the way until Labor Day, so Monday. You've got some True Living candles. They are pricing at $4.50, but an additional 50% off brings that down to $2.25, so that's pretty cool. Then we've got these flameless pillars, LED, $6.50. That would bring it down to $3.25. That's a pretty good price for that. Okay, this is a nice candle. Antique leather by True Living, originally $5, so you get it for $2 and some change, almost $3. You got the double packs, Swifter heavy duty. These are going for $10, so you'll get it for $5. And then I believe if you have any good coupons, use it on top of there. And like I said, don't forget to download the app. So then you also got some outdoor toys. Oh, what a great deal. $125 for that. So really cool. Coming over here. I mean, make sure you guys come and check out your local Dollar General. Today is a great day to get going and checking. Look at these adorable plants. So these would be buy one, get one free. Okay, yeah, buy one, get one free. Cool. I love collecting stuff like this. Okay, so we've got some torch fluid for $6. You'll get it for $3. A lot of garden knickknacks and odds and ends right here. Got these are actually really great. So for $8. You got some great outdoor lawn chairs. I unfolded them in one video. I'll link that video down below. These are really cute. These are originally $12. So again, buy one, get one free. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another video with the food finds and stuff. So this is all the stuff that right now my Dollar General has. If I find any more of the 50% off, I'll link it in the other video. So please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed and awesome day.